Hi, welcome back to Moose in Chemistry. This is Stoichiometry Lesson number 17. Given 79.5 grams of calcium carbonate, which is CaCO3, how many moles of calcium carbonate, CaCO3, do we have? Well, it's important to remember the stoichiometry flowchart where you go from my grams to my moles to their grams. So the first thing we have to do is figure out the molar mass of calcium carbonate. So let's go and write this down. Ca, and we got one of those. Carbon, we have one of those. And oxygen, we have three of these. On the periodic table, calcium is 40.08 grams per mole. Carbon on the periodic table is 12.01 grams per mole. Pretty simple so far. Oxygen, which is 15.99, we're going to call that 16.00 grams per mole. Alright, so everything is set up right there. All we have to do is do the math. So 1 times 40.08 is 40.08 grams per mole. Pretty simple. 1 times 12.01 grams is going to be 12.01 grams per mole. See how simple that is? 3 times 16, that's going to give us 48.00 grams per mole. All we have to do is add it up. This is going to give us 100.09 grams per mole for the compound calcium carbonate. So if we had 100.09 grams of calcium carbonate, we would have 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So we have 79.5 grams. So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to go 79.5 grams of calcium carbonate. Pretty simple so far. We're going to go from my grams to my moles. So we're going to change this into moles. We're going to go 1 mole of calcium carbonate. Pretty simple, huh? And we're going to divide that by 100.09 grams of calcium carbonate. All right, so let's cancel out the calcium carbonates. 79.5 times 1 divided by 100 is going to give us 0.794 moles of calcium carbonate. And that's it. Notice that we have 3 sig figs here now. 3 sig figs. Remember those lessons we did? I know you love sig figs. And here we have 4 sig figs. I'm not trying to complicate things, but sometimes your teacher wants it in sig figs. So you can only be as accurate as your least number of sig figs, which is 3. That's why we have 0.794. That 0 in front of that 7, as you know, is not significant. Well, that's it for this lesson. If you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly. I will see you back here at Moose in Chemistry.